Today I'll walk you guys south on 5th Avenue. I'm starting at 6th Street and we're gonna walk to the park here and see if it's open.
Panadas calientitas, salbutes, tortas.
They've pretty much finished this section of 5th Avenue. There's some little shops here. I know there's a tattoo shop back there also. So as you can see, most of this is pretty much finished. And you might also be able to tell that there are some major cracks in some of these already. I don't know if they're running front end loaders on this thing. This is 4th Street here. You have your Hard Rock. They're starting work here. As you can see, they are actually working on it. The past 2 or 3 weeks, it's been nothing but constant rain, so it's slowed down construction a little bit. But past week or so, it's been really nice. So see a lot of improvement. I actually prefer this area of 5th Avenue because they actually have some shade here. Because these trees, I wish there were more of these trees planted throughout 5th Avenue, because when it's around noontime, I mean, that sun is just blazing on you. But as you can see here, 5th Avenue between 4th and 2nd Street is pretty much almost finished here. This area here is where they were digging up brand new stones and replacing them, so they already did it and it looks pretty good. This restaurant here is Karen's. You see people working on Pezuela upstairs, cleaning up. Hopefully they'll open up around December 1st. This is 2nd Street. Still tore up. Guys are hard at work, trying to finish up. When you come in from Cancun Airport, you come to this ADO bus station here. They closed the Alterna down, so all traffic will pretty much come here from Cancun and leave from here because again, the Alterna station is totally closed.
Hay arroz con leche, taco de guisados.
Still closed off. See if we can get around it. This is Parque Los Fundadores with the iconic statues back there. Portal Maya. See if we can get through there. This is actually the way to go to the ferry. Ton of people down there. Typically it's not this busy down this way because they have a ferry running like every half hour, but now they shut the ferry schedule in half. See if I can get to the beach from another way.